হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা ইংলিশের ২৬টা অ্যালফাবেট দিয়ে প্রত্যেকটা অ্যালফাবেটের ৫টা করে শব্দ শিখব। তো চলেন শুরু করা যাক। A for apple, A for ant, airplane, alligator, কুমির, anchor. B for ball, book, butterfly, banana and backpack. C for cat, car, cup, cake and cow. D for dog, duck, drum, dolphin and dog. E for elephant, egg, eagle, envelope মানে চিঠি, earth, fish, fan, flower, flag, fork, fork অর্থ কাঁটা চামচ. G for grapes, guitar, goat, gift, glasses. H for hat, house, horse, hammer, helicopter. I for ice cream, igloo, iron, island, insect. J for jug, jacket, jeep, jam, and jet. K for kite, key, kangaroo, king, kiwi. L for lion, lamb, leaf, lock, ladder. M for mango, moon, monkey, mountain, motorcycle. N for nest মানে পাখির বাসা, notebook, nose, necklace and nut. O for orange, owl, octopus, ocean and ostrich. P for parrot, penguin, pineapple, piano and peacock মানে ময়ূর. Q for queen, question, quilt, quill, quokka. R for rose, rainbow, rocket, rabbit, river. S for sun, ship, star, snake, sunflower. T for tree, train, tiger, table, and telephone. U for umbrella, uniform, unicorn, UFO, utensils. V for fan, violin, bass, vegetables, volcano. W for watch, whale, watermelon, windmill, wolf. X for xylophone, X-ray, Xerox, MX3, XMAX3, xylitol. Y for yacht, yak, yellow, yogurt, and yo-yo. Z for zebra, zephyr, Jew, zero, and Guccini.